Sustainability and environment-friendly gadgets, devices, and even vehicles have become a top priority for almost all consumers nowadays. In such situations, smart companies invest in building or creating such products, and in today's video we are talking a little bit about that. Hello everyone and welcome to TechSpot, and let us take a look at some upcoming electric trucks and take a step further by comparing them for you. Let's begin. About electric trucks. A battery-powered electric truck is a vehicle meant to convey cargo, carry specialty payloads, or do other utilitarian tasks. In the 21st century, the rapid growth of lighter and more energy-dense battery chemistries has widened the scope of potential application of electric engines to trucks in many more roles. In comparison to internal combustion vehicles, electric trucks produce less noise and air pollution. Still confused about how exactly this truck works? Well, let's get it all explained for you. The electric motor is energized by AC electricity, which produces torque. The electric powertrain receives rotational energy, which allows the wheels to revolve and the truck to accelerate. The truck may be stopped using brake recuperation, commonly known as regenerative braking in passenger electrical vehicles, in addition to normal braking. And as far as efficiency is concerned, electric trucks are about 50% more efficient to run than diesel trucks. Isn't that an amazing advantage? In simple words, these trucks are the future. In this list, we are comparing Cybertruck, F-150 Lightning, and the Hummer EV. Stay tuned till the end of this video to know everything you have to know about these, because we assure you, we are going to be thorough with this. Let's begin with the Cybertruck. Cybertruck by Tesla. Elon Musk's Tesla is in fact the one responsible for revolutionizing the whole concept. We have talked about other vehicles from Tesla, so be sure to check those videos out. The 17-year history of the American manufacturer may be little in contrast to Ford Motors and General Motors Company, or GMC, which have a combined 126 years of expertise. The experienced automakers, on the other hand, have a lot of expertise with combustion engines. Tesla has a comfy perch at the top of the electric car food chain because of its $700 billion market capitalization. Expect the Tesla emblem to be the target in the heart of their workplace dartboard, while these other manufacturers build their own electric vehicles. The Tesla Cybertruck was revealed with a glass-breaking unveiling in November 2019, displaying its distinctive appearance and performance. On this list, the vehicle stands out as the most futuristic-looking electric truck. The outer shell of the Cybertruck is designed for maximum durability and passenger safety. Every component, from the ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel main skin to the Tesla Armor glass, is engineered for exceptional performance and durability, starting with an unbreachable exoskeleton. As we said before, this vehicle looks like a beast, and we think it's safe to say that it is a beast. In its first week, Tesla received over 250,000 pre-orders. They had reached 500,000 by February 2020. The total was well over 1 million the last time electric looked. Elon Musk announced Tesla's plans to deploy an improved Cybertruck design in November 2020. In the terms of a timetable, Musk estimated that it would take around a month. That, however, did not occur. Following the release of the video of GMC's new Hummer EV executing a crab walk, Tesla revealed that the Cybertruck will also include four-wheel steering. The Cybertruck's twin and tri-motor variants were supposed to debut in late 2021. However, all Cybertruck trims have been postponed until 2022, which comes as no surprise. Well, we'll be sitting right here, waiting for the truck to come out. What do you guys think about the Cybertruck by Tesla? The comments section is always waiting for your answers. F-150 Lightning. We've mentioned above how Ford has way more experience than Tesla. And experience is better, right? So Ford may seem like a viable option to you. Well, let's have a look at its features and compare them to Tesla's Cybertruck. The electric truck in the picture is none other than the Ford F-150 Lightning. Ford Motor Company has been a household brand in the automobile industry since the early 1900s, and it is still one of the world's major automakers today. Ford and General Motors were formerly two of the world's top 3 automakers in terms of market share. While Ford is a significant worldwide automaker, its market share has shrunk in recent years, particularly as the electric vehicle industry has grown. Ford's F-Series, on the other hand, has been around for almost 70 years and is still a popular car line for the company. Since the early 1980s, these sales have helped the F-Series remain the best-selling pickup in the United States. Ford opted to abandon several of its sedans in order to save money and remain competitive, focusing instead on what has traditionally sold well for the company. We're talking about trucks and SUVs. Ford has finally embraced hybrid and electric alternatives in its fleet, ensuring that it does not lose out on the impending wave of electric vehicles. The car maker predicted an inflow of all-electric and hybrid vehicles a few years ago. In addition to the much-hyped Mustang Mach-E, Ford has now converted a second Ford Classic to electric power. As a prototype that could slip through the snow like a Fast and Furious movie and tow over 1 million pounds in railway carriages, the Ford F-150 Electric was shrouded in mystery. Ford began teasing a name for an electric F-150 in May before revealing the Lightning moniker a week later. Since then, over 120,000 reservations have been made for the truck, with order sheets set to open this fall. F-150 Lightning will launch as part of Ford's newest commitment to make electric cars account for 40% of sales by 2030. Soon, an all-electric Explorer and even a Bronco will join the F-150. How exciting is that? While we don't have all of the data in the F-150 Lightning yet, when compared to similar trucks like the Cybertruck and the Hummer EV, the first specs do appear very promising. We hope we get to share all the details about this electric truck with you pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Moving on to our last pick for today, we will be talking about and of course comparing the Hummer EV. But before that, it would be great if you liked this video so it can reach as many people as possible who want to know more about these upcoming electric trucks. We won't keep you waiting any longer, let's jump right into the details of the Hummer EV. This electric truck is a product of the very well-known and trusted GMC. Out of all of today's brands, this one bags the medal when it comes to experience. The GMC brand concentrates on SUVs, pickup trucks, and other big vehicles, although these trucks are recognized to be much more luxurious than GM's Chevy equivalent. In the early 1990s, the Hummer story began with a civilian version of a military Humvee suited for Arnold Schwarzenegger. The Hummer brand was bought by General Motors in 1998, and 3 distinct versions of the huge vehicle were produced: the H1, H2, and H3. The Hummer's gas tank has plummeted significantly close to E after a decade of glory in music videos and other MTV shows. Ouch! This was mostly due to the global demand for finite fossil fuels during the 2008 crisis. The H2's 10 mile per gallon average definitely didn't help matters. In 2010, the last H3 had gone off the manufacturing line at GM and dealerships had begun to close. After a much welcomed green light from GM, the name Hummer now lives on. GM teased that the Hummer brand was returning and would be marketed under the GMC brand 4 years later, using the millions of eyes on the NFL Super Bowl to tease that the Hummer brand was back and would be sold under GMC. And this time, it would be all electric. Customers may anticipate more costly and decked-out variants of the Hummer in 2022 and 2023, while the cheapest version will not be available until 2024. If you can't wait that long, GM will release an Edition 1 Hummer Electric in late 2021, but it will set you back more than $110,000. The Hummer EV is currently available in pickup and SUV versions. Furthermore, the specifications that GM have released so far appear rather remarkable, particularly the anticipated torque of 11,500 pounds. So who is the winner in today's race? In the EV truck race, the obvious winner will have to be decided over time. Each of these major manufacturers has planned extensive rollouts for each of its vehicles' numerous powertrains, and manufacturing delays have already occurred. That being said, that is all we had for today, and we really hope this video gave you a good idea of what you're looking for. We'll be posting much more content, so stay with us, and we will see you guys soon. Thanks again for stopping by. Hope to see you again next time.